welcome back to my channel Life with Falguni. Today's video is going to be very special because I have a small announcement to make. After delaying this decision for the longest time, I have finally started my own brand. I had plans of starting my own small business since 2024, but I was just so scared because I did not know anything about business. But the other day I was watching young Sheldon and I saw this cute scene. Sheldon was scared and Missy told Sheldon that you'll always be scared, but you have to do it anyway. And I thought that was my sign. And I decided to take a leap of faith, and here I am. There's all the things of my small business. I want to unbox them with you guys. एक दो मैंने पहले से खोल लिए हैं, but never mind. So the name of my brand. So here am I officially announcing that I am starting my own brand, Leona, and it has a beautiful meaning. It means my light. I hope you guys like it and enjoy it. Enjoy small candles. I'm initially starting with candles. I have plans of expanding into gifting. So let's quickly do some unboxing. I need some scissors. Let's start with this. Okay, first we have this heart-shaped mold because these are some of the candles that I'm going to make, and heart-shaped molds are going to be so useful. Next we have, so I wanted to make mold candles for the longest time, so I bought some very cute molds. This is a Gautam Buddha, but mini Gautam Buddha mold. Next we have colors. These are basically wax colors. I know I could have used oil pastels as well, but since I'm starting a brand, I wanted to be as professional as I could, so I bought some colors. Next we have some wicks and wig holders. Okay, that's it. This is another set of wicks and holders from Meesho because they were more affordable. I got one set from Amazon, but again Meesho was very affordable. Next we have more molds. So these are some amazing flower molds. So we have rose, jasmine and everything over here. Planning to make some amazing flower candles very soon. Then we have, these are not from business. These are actually my overnight oats container, but never mind. These are very useful, guys, by the way. For someone who stays alone and needs to do a lot of meal prep, these are really effective. I got 2 of them, and this also comes with these cute spoons. Nothing is sponsored, by the way. Okay, what is this? Oh, okay. So funny story. I wanted to make coffee candles, but somebody suggested that chai is Indian emotion. Chai is so related to, so close to us Indians that we should definitely go for it. So I bought some Parle-G molds, and I will definitely, and I'm planning to make a Parle-G candle very soon for my CPTO who is very near. So maybe you'll see some chai flavored candles very soon, and by the time if I post the video, if it's done, maybe I'll pop a picture here. Next up is this. More molds, guys, more molds. So these are the cube candles. So these are in 4 different shapes. I have seen some amazingly cute candles with these. I'm so excited to make them. But I'm really curious, how am I supposed to put the wig in? Like, we'll figure out. Next up we have, if you guys follow me for a long time, you probably know I'm a coffee puppy, so I had to get these coffee beans mold because I'm gonna make those espresso and latte candles. So yeah, so soft, man. Okay, next up, what is the Dorothy parcel doing here, but never mind. Oh, so OnePlus BOGO sale is going on, buy one get one free. So I got a tinted sunscreen and sunscreen spray. Don't know how they are, but try and let you guys know very soon. Next is I got glasses. So I think my biggest challenge so far is getting glasses for my candles, and I wanted real aesthetic glasses. So I got a set from Borosil. I don't know how effective it is for a business because they are a little bit of expensive side, but I didn't want to compromise on the quality. So I got this Borosil glasses. I know they are so pretty and so clean. If you guys are aware of any vendors or any places where I can get glasses at a wholesale rate, please let me know. I'm very new in Gurgaon. I have zero idea of where to get raw materials. I know Chandni Chowk is a very popular place, but I've been told that's not a safe place. So if you have any other idea and if you have any other particular shop in mind from Chandni Chowk, please let me know in the comment section. That will be of huge help. Next up is this. इसमें ऊपर तो सोया लिखा है, so I'm guessing इस पे सोया वैक्स है. Recording हो रहा है right? You know, even though I've started the candle business, I haven't told my parents yet because Bengali mom and dad are not that pro business. They are like, ठीक है, चाकरी कोशिश तो ठीक तो अच्छे, but I have some real problem over here. मुझे शांति नहीं आती है. So these are some good quality soy wax that I've ordered because you know, one of the key priorities of my candle business was quality. So I wanted good quality wax that won't cause that amount of smoke, and you can have it in your bedroom and stuff like that. So hence I ordered these wax in a small quantity. Again, if you have any wholesale shop in mind where I can get good amount of soy wax, please let me know. Last and final box which I've already opened. बहुत सारे fragile material के साथ है ये. Yes, this is a huge box of glasses. Just quickly show you one glass. Lots of bubble wrap here. So इसमें I have planned to make like different flavored candles, but very small candles. So yeah, I guess that is it for unboxing. I guess that's enough unboxing for the day. I have to wrap this entire thing up. So yeah, I guess with that we come towards the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I would really be very grateful to you guys if you come along in this journey. I'm not asking you to buy from me right away because I understand, but if you just go and follow my Instagram page, that will be of huge help. And if you have any contacts or any kind of information that will help me start a business, I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much for sticking along. Take love, take care, bye bye.